back to another video, and in this video actually we got started by clearing out this place because we wanted to paint it, but we did put the heater to dry a bit the corners, so we will leave that until tomorrow. Once it's dried, we're gonna talk more about it in tomorrow's video. But in today's video we might be turning this door from a temporary door to a permanent door with some small fixes. So we're gonna be adding this bottom lip on the concrete, then we're gonna add an extra brush, then we also got rubbers to seal it better, and an exciting handle because we did not like this one. This was like I think a €3 handle, so we got a bit nicer one. It does not look the same as in the box. I hope we got the right thing, because here it looks really boring, right? So I got scared that we got this one, but you'll see that once we install it. But before we get started, I want to do a shout out on my channel. We were thinking if we should upload that video that's on my channel right now in ours, so make sure to check it, because we did have quite of a big accident with our camera that ruined our day and kind of set us back a bit, but all good. You will see that in my channel, so make sure to subscribe over there and check it out. And thank you so much already for everyone that has been over there supporting, and yeah, make sure to check it because it's really interesting in case you're interested. But let's now move on with the door. I'm not sure what we're gonna get started with. We haven't figured it out, so let's see. Probably we said with the bottom or with the handle?
Handle.
The handle, so exciting things first?
Yeah.
I guess, let's get started with a handle. Plus we're also gonna be staining the wood.
Not staining, burning.
Burning, you will see. But I guess we're starting with the exciting part, the handle. And we went with, we did not want to go too expensive, because when we bought it we were still not sure if that door will be our permanent door, because ideally I would like a door with a window. But don't worry, we're not cutting window in that door. That door will stay as it is.
But it does fit. It feels like it belongs here.
The door? Yeah, we will see. So that is the handle we went for. Do we like?
It's old school. I feel like it's old school. I feel like it would be better if it was matte, not shiny, but
it
looks nice.
So that was, I think, €13. There was also really expensive options, but like as I said, a bit too expensive, and I think that feels pretty nice.
Really nice. Has a nice spring.
So let's build it in, I guess.
So, as you can see, the handle is done. This one is a much tighter handle, a much more premium feeling, and it looks a little bit better. It covers up all the hole and it fits nicely. I think I need a longer lock because it reaches on one end but doesn't on other. But of course also it is chiseled in the place where the mechanism goes, and it's not very precise. It's a bit cracked. It's not perfect, not even close. It could be a good one to even replace this plank, but I think it would take away from all the character. Yeah. So I rather deal with how messy it is. I mean, in theory, it's a working door. So just having a bit of a cracked and a bit of a sideways look, I think it just all adds to the character. So let's now go with, we started with the beauty side, which is the final touch in here. And now we're gonna actually add this one. This is gonna go on the bottom, and this is gonna complement together with it. It's gonna go together. This is gonna go on the door, this goes on the floor. And together, they in theory seal for a nice perfect fit for cold, not to blow in under the door. So let's install this now.
Wait, does that go on the outside?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I thought it was... Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I thought it was going on the inside.
You can put it on inside, you can put it on outside.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot of gold flowing in.
Yeah, I'm cold here. Okay, I need to measure and cut it.
That door is definitely doing a big, huge difference. That's your measurement?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding.
You get Evie. Get Evie, I'm gonna keep an eye on it.
I can't do that. You do this. You. Evie, put the key. I swear to God, if it comes up to me. Evie, not to put the key.
Bravo!
Bravo, Evie!
Bravo, Evie! Bravo!
Life of living in a farmhouse. Where did you go with it?
Bravo, Evie!
Keita, too late to the party. Bravo, Evie! Good job, Evie. You're a real hunter. Bravo! Yeah, let her. She doesn't like when we look at her. Okay, well, oh my God. Okay, we were trying to figure out how to cut this one. Oh my, this video is just like all over the place. But you wanted real content, real. Here it is. I hope Evie doesn't come.
She's also Katie.
Oh, and there's Keita. What have you been up to? Keita is reading the instructions for the robbers.
She's doing ready.
Keitinho. Oh, Keitinho. You also want a mouse? You also want a mouse. You're too slow. Woo. Nice.
Scissor.
Perfect. Where did it come from? I think from the storage room.
It was on its way and it saw us and it hid and then Evie got it.
The sad story of a mouse. What did you do?
It inherited a bit. Maybe it's not as good quality as you talk.
I mean, it was €2, wasn't it? Oh, 3.
I should have just smacked the end to close it. I feel like the glue is incredibly good.
I think the glue will do nothing because the door is not straight.
No, it just doesn't stick. Look here, it's straight. This whole plank, it's flat on it. I'm squeezing, nothing.
I mean, it did say in the instructions.
What did I do wrong?
What you did wrong is you did not clean it with a blue cloth and a spray.
The door?
Yeah.
It is oily. That's true. That's a fact. Give me the drill. We're drilling it on anyway.
We're anyways gonna screw it on. Whoa! I mean, that's a good thing about it playing plastic.
Put one here, just because it's bent so much.
I think it's good. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Let me see. But I think it's pretty good on the bottom. Oh, definitely not blowing anything.
Can you open it now?
Punapodiki? Was it yummy? Was delicious? She's like, where's more?
So it's like perfect connection all the way through.
It's really, like, I feel nothing blowing through. It's pretty good.
Okay, we install the rubbers maybe first, and then we'll see at the end if we need the gold one, because I feel like it's not necessary. It's just gonna make me go higher and hit my head.
So you're scared, that's why you don't want to put it?
Yeah, these doors are so short.
Okay, I mean, that blows nothing. Like, I don't feel any wind blowing through. Only from the corner, which is, you know, the side wood. But before we do the rubbers, we're gonna
To the wood.
do the wood.
Do we try to see if we can do it as is, or do we just remove it? Let me just get the blowtorch and try to do it as it is,
Okay.
and see if we can do it. Maybe on really low heat.
Okay.
I am cooking the oil though. I mean, it's not perfect,
It definitely looks better than before.
but at least it doesn't look so brand new, right?
Yeah. That definitely blends in more.
Yeah, a bit better. Definitely not as white. I'm trying to be also even lines, which
Yeah.
is really difficult.
Don't want to do any dotting. It definitely does not look, before it looked like a piece of foam or something, like it was so white. It looked like we stuffed a piece of foam. Now it has a bit of a character at least. Like from far away you cannot even tell at all, I think. No. Love it.
Let's see how it looks with the door.
Wow, that blends in.
A bit better, definitely better. Not of course as good as this one or the original frame, but it's not as bad.
A quick cheat.
Yeah.
Really quick and fast cheating method. I think
it's hard to make the wood look aged, but that's as close as we're gonna get for now.
Yeah.
So
looks
easily.
pretty good.
Okay, let's do the rubbers now.
Yeah. Too much oil. We did not think that the oil. Well, we did think it, but
yeah, that's not that bad. The door.
we'll have to do the.
Here, this is like the important one, you know.
You did burn it out of the oil.
Yeah, I don't think enough. I can just try this one here, see if this one sticks.
No, it doesn't stick at all.
No, but it's sticky still. It doesn't lose its stickiness.
It just does not stick on oil. I mean, makes
Doesn't-
sense. Yeah.
Combine with the oil.
Right? I feel nothing blowing.
So I think that this was the huge upgrade that the door needed. First of all, the handle, that's beautiful. We covered up the hole, looks nice, feels really premium, very nice and tight. And now the door feels tight when you close it really tight. But I think for winter I'd rather have it more tight and have it sealed. And then for next year I might router the rubbers in. I know it's a bit floppy just to staple them on, but we could router them next year into these woods and into there. If we change the frame, then we could fully do it all new. I do like the door and the cracks. We did say we're gonna use silicone, but we can't do that because the oil is not gonna let it stick. And instead we gotta use like a wax mixture, or we could also do it like they have done it, which is with lime, like a little plaster. You just fill it in, or a wood filler might also work with oil. I haven't tried that one, need to ask in the store. Or if you guys know wood filler, if it works with oil, you could also use wood filler for these gaps.
But I think overall, like, there's no wind blowing through the cracks, so that's
the
not
bottom
really,
is the biggest change. That little brush, whatever it is, nothing blowing, and this part I'm standing is freezing cold. The floor here, because it's just been blowing like a freezing cold air conditioning on the floor consistently, and now nothing much blowing. I'm pretty much 90% of the blowing is stopped. The rest is going to be through the cracks. These ones here are actually kind of click joint wood. So this one's here actually don't blow at all. It's just this one here. This one here is not with that same joint. This kind of looks like a repair job at some point. So it's not on the same joint. And but that's pretty much it. Around the rubbers we do have some gaps here and there. I was looking from outside in the darkness, and then I can see inside where light is shining. This, nothing at all. This one here maybe 10% is shining, and this one here maybe 20%. Bottom absolutely zero. So I think we're pretty good. We are as good as we can get really quickly. And for temporary door, I think we did a pretty good job. It looks really nice. And now the next step is gonna be the walls. The walls are finally gonna look nice and white and bright. And now that we have the windows nicely done, that's all just gonna add up to this hallway looking a lot more fresh, a lot more nicer. Especially with this nice door. These concrete walls just don't do it justice. I'd rather like to see nice bright white color next to it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. It wasn't a lot of progress maybe for you guys, but I think the handle was something that it was asking for. And just to give an update that we really like this door, and to add rubbers to finish it off, to kind of be sealed now for winter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.
Are you looking for mice?
No, I'm just visualizing the white walls. Very beautiful it will be. A lot of echo, I feel.
And by the way, I really liked all of you guys' suggestions. That's something we're gonna talk in the next video, but something we've been anyways planning. Tell you more about it next up.
Are we gonna build it?